This video is particularly for those students and physios who are pursuing or have completed their masters and want to get job in a foreign country but are afraid of taking the license exam. I would like you to share this video with your classmates and colleagues so that anyone who needs important updates or information in this field can easily access it and everyone can contribute to the growth of physiotherapy field and can build a successful career. Sharing knowledge is also a form of ongoing charity, so please pass on any knowledge you have with others. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Huma Ibrar. I wish you all a good day. So let's start today's topic. I have some important information that perhaps many students might not know, and specifically this is for those physiotherapists who have master's or PhD degree. I have some interesting news for all of you if you have a master's or PhD in physiotherapy and you don't feel like taking any licensing exam or studying hard again for exam. You can obtain a license in Qatar without an exam. Qatar exempt those with a PhD or master's degree from taking the exam, and you only need to complete the data flow. So think about Qatar if you have a master's degree and 2 years of experience. So don't wait for it. Complete your data flow, that is all online, and after verification of your documents, you can get physiotherapy license of Qatar and can work there as a physiotherapist without any exam. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video.